You want... Hey.
Huh? You want to do that?
No, I don't. I don't.
Then don't come at me.
I'm not coming at you. Okay, Cap. We're leaving. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Oh my gosh, I am still shaking. Oh my gosh, this guy was so scary and such a jerk and such an asshole and such a... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never ever had an experience with such a human being before that is such a jerk and so inconsiderate and such an asshole. Oh. He was trying to pick a fight. All what I asked him was, can you please put your dog on a leash? And he came up to me, sat right next to us and irritated us and came right in our face. I appreciate it if you put your dog on a leash.
Come on, I want your photo too. Let's take your photo.
What's your problem?
Well, I just don't know what your problem is, lady.
My problem is that your dog is not on the leash and I have my bird
and you
fly.
have a wild bird that is
It's not
not
wild.
on any kind of, leash either.
He's a free flight bird.
Well, you know what? They're all animals. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. Come here, bud. Go ahead and keep filming, lady. Come here. There, are you happy? He's on leash.
Thank you. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
that.
We'll just have a seat right here. Come on, bring it in closer. You want to film?
What's your problem? Why are you so like that?
Because it's people like you who think that they get to come up to a public space and take it over.
I'm not taking it over. I'm just flying my bird.
Well, and I'm just out here walking my dog.
All right, but there's no sign bird should be on a leash, but there's a sign dog should be on a
Well,
leash.
how do I know that your bird is not going to come swooping down at my dog?
He would have done it if he would have.
Or me.
Did he do it?
Did my dog come up and attack you?
Your dog came up to us, yes.
There. Let's film each other. How's that?
Can you take a step?
Huh?
Can you take a step back? Can you take a step back?
Let's film each other.
We are.
Great.
All right, this is stupid. You know that? What's your problem? What's your problem? I know, I know, I know, I know. He's irritating us, right?
Yeah, you're doing the same to us.
All right, we're gonna go. You can stay. We're leaving.
Great. Have a nice night.
You too. Can you take a step back? I need to get my water bottle. You want... Hey.
Huh? You want to do that?
No, I don't. I don't.
Then don't come at me.
I'm not coming at you. Okay, Cap. We're leaving. We're leaving. Yeah, Hope doesn't want to leave. So the park says keep dogs under leash. This is the LA County Code. So and so. There's no sign whatsoever that says I should need to leave my dog, my bird on a leash. Come on, Hope. Let's go. Come on, Hope. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. He's right there. Picture of my car. Come on, Hope. Oh my gosh, just had this. I'm still shaking. I had this incident with this inconsiderate asshole jerk dog owner who is totally a jerk and who came really close up to my face and didn't want to. There he is. He's leaving. Fucking asshole. Is it camera? No. Oh my gosh. Hope. I'm glad nothing worse happened. And then he went one time around, came right on top of us again just to make us angry, and went right to my car, took a picture from my license plate, and then he took off. What a jerk! Who does that? Who does that in his right mind? This guy has a major problem, major anger issue. He's not normal. This guy is not normal. What a jerk. Jeez. So this is what I mean, like, that some dog owners are really inconsiderate and really jerks. Like, what's his problem? Like, you know, what's his problem? I don't understand. I mean, I love dogs. His dog was cute, but he was such a jerk. Such a jerk. He was like picking a fight. He was looking for a fight. Oh my gosh. I think those type of people don't want to see other people happy. They are so frustrated in their life and so angry with their own life. They are losers. That guy was a totally loser. He's a loser. He came right on top of my face and was really, really mean and starting to pick a fight deliberately. Like, what's his problem? Like, I can fly my bird all over the place, where I want, when I want, how I want. But there's no sign in the park, don't fly birds. Birds are all over the place, but there are signs saying dog keep on the leash all the time. And he doesn't abide by the rules. He's probably just jealous that Hope had so much fun flying. Or he's some kind of jerk who doesn't like to be told by a woman, can you please put your dog on the leash? Oh my gosh, what an asshole. I hope I will never ever see him again. Oh, this was not fun. Let me know what you think about this guy. This guy was like the creme de la creme of jerks. Comment below, guys. I'm done. I'm gonna go home. I'm still shaking. Have to process this whole thing and consider what I'm gonna do next and how we're gonna approach people who are jerks like that in the park. It's a public park, yes, but there's no sign birds on the leash. There's always sign dogs on the leash. Alright guys, so there was this incident in the park and I'm still shaking. I can't believe what just happened and what an inconsiderate jerk I just encountered. And I'm gonna call now the police station and ask them in this situation what's the best bet to do. Let me Google the police station and let's see what they are saying. Oh my gosh, I'm still shaking. Oh, to the apartment. There we go.
You have reached Pasadena Police Department. You may also visit us on the web at www.cityofpasadena.net/police. For English, please stay on the line. Para español, oprima el número 8. If you have an emergency, please hang up and dial 911 immediately. For information about city programs, services, and events, press 1. If you're calling about an incident that would require a police response today, press 2. To reach the Community Services section, press 3. To reach the police jail, press 4. To reach parking enforcement, press 5. To reach the police records section, press 6.
2.
One moment, please. Look selected for our 2018 One City. Pasadena Police, Caldera.
Hi there, this is Caroline. I have a question.
Yes.
I had an incident today in the park, in a public park, where a guy had his dog off leash, and the park rules were dogs has to be on leash at all times. So his dog came up to us, and I asked him politely, "Can you please put your dog on a leash?" And he's like, "No." And he started picking a fight. And it was really scary because he came really close to me and he deliberately sat next to me with his dog. But he was really scary because I had my bird next to me. And my question is, if there's a sign, dogs has to be on the leash, can he be cited for that if he doesn't abide?
Yes.
Okay, so he was in the wrong.
Yes.
What was I supposed to do in such a situation? Because he became really aggressive and he started insulting me, and he pulled out his.
You could call animal control for the violation of the dog being off the leash.
Uh-huh.
And if he is being aggressive towards you, you could have called us, the police department, to go and out there to respond.
Okay, I have to do it next time because I have video footage where he came really close and wanted to be like, he was very aggressive. He started like putting his phone in my face and I had to like walk back and he came closer and closer, and when I kind of tried to push him away, he started fighting with his hand and tried to push away my phone. So I had to run away so that he, like, just to be safe. And then he went very close to my car and took a picture of my license car plate number.
Okay. So if that happens again, like I said, you can contact animal control for the violation of the dog being off the leash.
Uh-huh.
And if it's him being aggressive towards you, then that would be the police department.
So I have to call 2 different departments.
Yes, because the police department doesn't deal with anything that has to do with dogs.
Okay.
Unless it's animal cruelty, then we would take a report for that. But the Humane Society, they have their own officers.
Okay,
for
animal
any
control.
complaints to animals.
So I just call them and says, "Hey, here's a guy in the park who has his dog off leash. Can you please come?"
Yes.
And then he'll come out. Okay. And then another question. I free fly my bird. That means I let my parrot fly in the park and he comes right back. Is it against the law to fly a parrot in a public park?
I don't know the answer to that. You'd have to call animal control.
Okay, because he was like all the time, "You have to put your parrot on a leash." I was like, "No, there's no sign for that."
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I just wanted to clarify who's in the wrong, who's in the right, what should I do, because this is not the first time that dog owners got really aggressive towards me because I was flying my bird.
Okay, I mean, I don't know the answer to it. I wouldn't think it would be against the law. But like I said, you need to contact animal control with that question.
Okay. Okay, I'll call
Okay,
animal control.
all right.
Are they still open tonight, or do I have to?
They might be closed right now.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're
I
welcome.
really
All
appreciate
right.
it. Bye. Good
Bye-bye.
night. All right, there you have it. Animal control for dog off leash. Even if there's a sign, he can get cited for it. And police department when he gets aggressive. Geez, this is really a scary situation. Wow. Okay, so good to know that I was not in the wrong, but he was just really, really angry, just a really angry person, because I was so happy with Hope. Hope was so happy flying. I think he was such a loser that he didn't want to see people happy, because even in the beginning when we were flying, he was looking at us and he couldn't stand that we were so happy. So there's something wrong with this guy for sure. But anyway, yeah, I hope you liked this video. Comment below whatever you want, and please be nice. There's always a problem with dog owners and parrot owners. I mean, don't get me wrong, please. I do love dogs. We had dogs back then, but I just prefer parrots right now, and I can't have a dog. I would have a dog, but I can't have a dog with parrots in the house. It's just previous predator, and I don't want to do it to my parrots, so I chose not to have dogs right now, but I still like dogs. Like, I love animals. I grew up in a farm. We had a lot of animals, but sometimes dog owners can be just such jerks, and like today. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Thanks for liking. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button. See you next time. Bye, guys.